Hey guys, welcome back to my new series where I show you how to do really quick nail art in like 3 to 5 minutes. Fun fact, this one went viral on TikTok like maybe a couple weeks ago, and I was like, well, let me go ahead and make this a part of the series because I know airbrushing is like really popular right now. So yeah, let's get straight into this tutorial. First, I'm going in with the black paint gel polish. I'm using Valentino. It doesn't matter what brand you use. I feel like I always have to say that because I don't want you guys to think that you have to use the same exact things. Work with what you have. Oh, that's a viral little video. But yeah, work with what you have, and I'm sure the results will be the same. So yeah, I'm going in with 2 coats of this. I'm drying it in between the coats, of course, maybe about 45 seconds to a minute, and then once you finish your 2 coats of black, go ahead and get your airbrush and your acetone. And for this design, I used a pink color. Again, just whatever pink you have. Something that's not too light, but not too dark either. Something like kind of in the middle, I guess. I'm using that little cuticle pusher to kind of mix it up. Once I get the acetone in there, I do about 3 drops of this. I'm only doing 1 finger, so you don't really need that much. To be honest, I probably made way too much of the mix. Then you're going to add some acetone in it, and then you're going to just mix it up until you get like the consistency you want. Really, you only need about 2 or 3 drops of acetone. You really don't need that much at all. And also keep in mind, the less you use, the more pigmented the color will be. So yeah, then you're gonna go in and just airbrush it in the middle, not too close to the cuticle, but not too close to the tip, and that's how you get it to stay in the middle of the nail. I also went ahead and cured mine, and then I did a second coat of this because I noticed that it doesn't layer as easily with it still being wet. So go ahead and dry it, and then pull it out and do another coat of airbrush, and then it'll be perfect. And then that is pretty much how you do this tutorial. It's very simple. A lot of people on TikTok are like, what is it called? How do you do it? And it's like a 2-step process. Like you literally paint and then airbrush and then top coat. That's it. Super easy. Actually one of my favorite designs to do because of how easy it is, and it's really quick. So tell me what you guys think, and I can't wait to do part 3 and part 4 and part 5 of nail art for you guys. Thank you for watching.